Welcome to Breaking Coin News. Veteran Bitcoin investor predicts how high XRP could go in the next 5 months. Pumpius, a Bitcoin investor with over 10 years of experience, has asserted that the XRP price is set for a big move toward double digits. In particular, he outlines 9 key catalysts he believes could drive XRP to $50 within the next 5 months. As we begin our news on crypto, please don't forget to subscribe to receive the next crypto news. Pumpius, who has been closely watching the space since 2013, points to the recent change in the SEC's view towards crypto ETFs as a pivotal moment for XRP. ETF approvals set to unlock institutional capital. The SEC has fast-tracked the approval process for ETFs. As a result, several crypto-focused funds, including Grayscale's multi-asset fund, already list XRP. Now, the likelihood of a dedicated XRP spot ETF launching this month is high, amid approaching deadlines. Pumpius believes institutional capital will flood into XRP once the ETFs go live, boosting its liquidity and driving up the price. Legal clarity clears path for XRP's growth. Furthermore, Pumpius' thesis highlights Ripple's recent legal victory over the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. After years of litigation, Ripple and the SEC dropped their appeals, with the court ruling in favor of XRP's status as a non-security. Pumpius argues this clarity is a game changer. XRP now has the strongest legal position of any crypto in the US, he explained. Ripple's global expansion. Another key reason for Pumpius' optimism is Ripple's aggressive expansion into global markets. The company has inked major deals with financial institutions like BNI, SBI in Japan, and Santander, significantly increasing XRP's utility in real-world payment corridors. Each new partnership strengthens XRP's use case, creating direct demand for liquidity, said Pumpius. Additionally, Ripple's acquisition of Hidden Road, a prime broker specializing in bridging traditional finance with crypto, gives XRP a much-needed leverage point for institutional capital. Pumpius believes this move will unlock institutional flows into XRP's liquidity pools. Technical indicators confirm movement ahead. Technical analysis also supports the possibility of an impending price surge. Liquidity in XRP's order books has tightened significantly, creating a compression in price action. According to Pumpius, when this bottleneck finally breaks, XRP could experience significant volatility to the upside. He likens it to a spring waiting to be released. He predicts that with whale involvement, XRP's price could gap up sharply. The perfect storm could take XRP price to $50 with these catalysts lining up. Pumpius predicts a potential XRP price explosion in the next 5 months. He sees a realistic path for the price to rise to $10, $20. However, if capital flows from ETFs and global payment corridors continue to increase, the price could soar beyond $30. In his view, in an ideal scenario with strong institutional adoption and a perfect storm of favorable regulations and market sentiment, XRP could hit as high as $50. This isn't hopium, Pumpius emphasized, calming that the pieces are falling into place for XRP's price to explode. Reality check for the $50 price despite the bullish outlook. Some analysts remain cautious. Skeptics argue the $50 target is unrealistic for a coin still trading around $3. Notably, XRP's price would need to soar by 1.566% to reach $50, pushing its market cap near $3 trillion. For context, Bitcoin's market cap is currently around $2.4 trillion. While XRP lags far behind at $180 billion. In other words, expecting XRP to catch up with and surpass Bitcoin in the next 5 months is a view many commentators do not share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next crypto news. Please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.